Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. This is another live trading session from February 14th, 2022. I have a few stocks on my watch list as usual. AFRM had a strong sell-off in the last couple of days. AMD, Coin, Facebook, Nvidia, Roblox, Square, and Tesla. So we're opening up a little bit, pushing up out of the open. Let's see if Tesla provides us an opportunity with a 1-minute opening range breakout. On the one hand, we're below all the short-term moving averages. On the other hand, Tesla is just such a volatile stock that such setups are usually scalpable opportunities. Now instead it's pulling back. AMD has relative strength today. It bounced off 200 SMA yesterday, went up pre-market almost 2%. Now it's up about 1.5%. The firm looks like it's poising for a breakout, which could make a good bull trap. Not sure if a firm will be able to push here, where I would go short because the market is making new lows right now. No. Unfortunately, this bull trap did not materialize right now. It might a bit later. But so far, it's hard to tell what direction the morning will take us. I'm looking for bear traps and bull traps. I am seeing that those are the strongest setups for me. The problem is it's really hard to know when you should trade bull traps or when you should trade bear traps. And that's what we discussed in the last video. Oh, Nvidia pushing towards the daily high. I'm not taking this breakout, but I don't want to short it either. Nvidia is one of the strongest stocks in the market right now. I want to short something weak, like a firm. But is short the right direction today? Oh, here you go. I'm gonna put my offer here for 20 shares. Got filled. Got filled at 46.73. I'm risking 50 cents, so I'm gonna put my hard stop right away. 47.23. Buy. So the green line is my buy stop order. Recently, I've been trying to use hard stops more often. Just trying to use technology to my advantage. I know some people think that market makers know where you put your stop. I think that individually we're not large enough, we're not trading large enough size for market makers to care. I think as long as your stop is not in an obvious place, it's fine. But it will make your exits much more consistent and it will be just easier. It takes the emotion out of it. And that's why I'm using it, and I recommend you guys also try it out. A large wick on Tesla, potential bull trap here. But I don't want to go short on 2 trades because I would have too much exposure to the short side. And I want to be market neutral if possible. Ideally, I would want to have 1 long, 1 short. This way I minimize market risk. But it looks like everything is gonna go up. SPY pushing up, Nasdaq. AFRM though, it's one of the stronger, one of the weaker stocks on my watch list, and it's struggling to make new highs. It still may take me out, but I'm still comfortable in it. Watching the rest of my watch list. AFRM just went positive on a day. And I think AFRM is about to squeeze and hit my stop loss, unfortunately. Roblox, the one who's showing weakness on intraday time frame. This could be a great bear trap. Not sure on Roblox. I wanted to follow a little bit more. Here you go. I'm gonna try to get in here. Got in with 40 shares. I need to put on a stop order. I think I oversized. I gotta get out. Wait. I got out with just a $6 loss. I don't think this would be the execution that I would get. In the meantime, my firm is pulling towards a view up. This trade on Roblox, why? I saw like that I'm down 25 cents, and I think that's approximately was my risk. Bad trade. And because I was so focused on Roblox, I missed the chance to scale out of a piece here in a firm. And of course, I got shaken out, and now Roblox is going into the direction that I originally anticipated. What was my mistake here? I think I took way too much size. I took 40 shares at 67.13. I should have taken... I guess also 20 shares, like on a firm. That's the punishment for oversizing on trades. You're not able to withhold, the wicks, and even if your scalpable opportunity was there, because you took too much size, you had to get out. At least I got out, so good on that. SPY, in the meantime, trying to making new daily high. So is Nasdaq. AFRM, in the meantime, also making. Oh, here you go. Got taken out. 2 losing trades within the first 12 minutes of the day. Not ideal, of course. Everything kind of starts ripping on my watch list on another screen. And maybe this yet has a chance. Let's see. No, I hesitated. Now it's too late. Oh my god. So how could I have traded better today? First, my trade on AFRM. It was a decent scalpable entry. I was risking 50 cents, and at a certain point I was up 50 cents. I should have taken at least some out. That's A. On Roblox, I oversized here, which caused me to cut my trade early, even though I ended up losing very little. It just at a certain point it printed here, it quickly bounced back, and that's when I got out. I should have taken less size, and I should have allowed myself to have a wider stop than this. So this trade would have worked really well if I didn't oversize. This trade would have been a small loser if I executed it correctly. And right now I'm watching on the charts on another screen of mine, and I'm not really seeing any setups. What I am seeing is that the market is just whipping around really hard. Now both S&P and Nasdaq went in the red. S&P is making new daily low, and the Tesla is trying to do a breakout. Is this a decent bull trap? Ooh, here we go. I'm kind of hesitating because if it's making new daily high while S&P and the lows, if S&P reverses right now, Tesla can absolutely rip. So can Nvidia. Roblox, on the other hand, also seems like a decent bull trap for an entry here. Decided to try this short on coin. 10 shares here. I'm going to put in my stop right away. Stop at 201.99. Why did I decide to enter here? Well, it just seems like there are a lot of stops off shorts here, so my thesis, as always, is that market makers would push the price into this pool. Plus, it lures in a lot of bulls. I accidentally picked up my stop order. I'm gonna place it here. I'm about to get taken out of my trade. I want to quickly take off a little bit so that I can make my stop a little bit wider, because again, as per usual, I took too much size. So okay, I got filled on a bit there. I'm gonna put my stop just a little bit above 202. 202.26 is just perfect. I'm also going to put some bids just below 200 in case it flushes through. I prefer using Arca. And let's put on 3 shares at 199.85. Actually, now that I made my stop wider, I think I have to move my stop. I'll put it right above half number, 199.60. Got filled. I'm gonna cancel my original stop order. I'm gonna put it at break even. Let's see if it can try to make a push towards VWAP, which is this yellow line here. In the meantime, AFRM should have been a trade that I should have taken reversals on. It's the weaker one on the watch list. And it's one of the most beaten up stock on the daily chart, where coin kind of bounced off its recent lows. Here we go. I'm gonna put a bid for 2 slightly below the current bid. $198.76. I'm gonna put another bid at around the VWAP. Let's see how it plays out. The broad market, it's kind of in the middle of its daily range. Nasdaq is showing relative strength. Here we go. Just have 3 shares left. Have myself my bid at VWAP and got executed. So in this last trade, I pretty much erased the losses from the previous 2. It was a good one. Overall, I'm up $1.45 on a day. And oh, it's already 10 o'clock New York time. So usually I call it a day around this time. And I'm going to do it again today. I'm going to stick to my rules. Plus, I have a day job and I need to return to my job. So thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next one.